Meet SpliceAssist. SpliceAssist is an intuitive visual guide that transforms splice preparation on the FL AutoSplicer Pro into a precise, foolproof task in under 5 minutes. It's perfect for businesses with high operator turnover or inexperienced staff. Its clear cues enable anyone to confidently change a roll and prepare a precise splice, all while the automatic splicer continues running to maximize production efficiency. Let's walk through how it works. Start by opening the safety doors, and the SpliceAssist window will appear on the HMI screen to guide the operator step by step. Use the multi-directional elevator controls to effortlessly lift the shaft loaded with the new roll. This helps prevent one of the main causes of workplace injury when handling heavy rolls. Once you've locked the hooks to the sides of the shaft, lift the roll up and in. When that's done, you can remove the hooks and lift them back up with the controls. The screen will guide you on how to turn the splicing tables and where to place the splice mark when threading the film. SpliceAssist will indicate the exact roll placement on the shaft ruler for your current format. If it's off, just push the roll slightly to line it up. Next, tap the flickering green button and cut the remaining film. For consistent results, use the tape ruler and cutter on the left to measure the double-sided tape you need for the splice. Peel the tape and give the reel a slight turn to easily rotate the tables. To finish, close the safety doors and press the splicing button on the screen. And just like that, you'll have 2 perfectly joined rolls every time. To optimize your packaging operations, contact us at fltechnics.info@promocbuilt.com.